Okay, so the first round of parents tournament is underway. I think all the games have almost started. Have a look.
I'm getting a little excited right now.
Okay. Let's have a look at
Oh,
knight c7. Wow.
Vinod didn't see that move.
Yeah, knight c7 and now rook is gone.
Now rook is gone.
Full rook. Let's see what Deep is up to. Deep versus Coolboy 5005.
Cool boy.
Let's see. It's equal position. Bishop d3 is not something you want to play. You want to play knight c3, pawn d3. Anyway,
I don't know.
Mahendra hasn't started. Who else is? Radhika, RD Olgar. Oh, looks like an interesting position. Queen g3. I guess. What is he up to? Just move the queen out of the way. Looks like equal position only, but white looks a little better because white can play pawn f3 and castle long. Start pushing h4, h5, h6. Or just play pawn h3 and castle. Okay, any other game that we should look at?
Oh. He didn't need to support that. It was already supported. The knight was there on f6.
Correct.
That's just kind of useless.
Yeah, now he plays f3, like I said. Okay, let's see the top seeds game. This is our top seed, RK2201, Rajesh versus Coolkid 1809ers. Who was Coolkid 1809?
So if my father had not played one more game before, then two more games before, then he would be the top seed. 1282.
Okay. Aparna is playing against Rajesh. Let's see that game.
Loop doop.
Oh, RK is having a nice pawn structure here. Okay, let's see Lupdup. Where is Lupdup?
Loop doop.
Wait a minute. Any game that we are missing? Samartha. Samartha that hasn't started. Let's see if any other game. Where is? Okay, so yeah. Hans game started? No. This game not started. A lot of games yet to start. I wonder why they haven't started yet. Many games have to start. People are coming online now. Okay, let's go back to this game. Arav's dad's game. Bishop g4 was played. So like I said, he played Bishop g5. Winning the knight at 6, of course. Wait, he did what I said. He played Bishop takes pawn. That was a plan he had. So that is not good for white, but
I know.
Let's
What
see.
is my father doing after?
Let's see. Now, what can white do? Looks like tactics can be played now. Bishop takes knight is winning, no? Bishop takes knight, bishop takes
Yeah.
queen.
Bishop takes knight is good.
It's winning a piece.
Oh yeah. Why doesn't my father do that?
Hi, sir.
Right?
Waiting
Hi,
really for him to do that right now.
Okay, let's see Jayant's mom versus Bala's dad. Jay versus Vaishali. Equal position, quiet position, right? Nothing going on much. Here, knight g5 was played, and then Coolboy 5005 does not have any good plan here.
Who? Oh.
Ashok Shivani versus Radhika. What's happening? Okay, Ashok played knight h5.
Game that you showed before.
Yeah.
It was just like the position that my father played instead of Bishop attacking.
Okay. I think
So that was my father's game.
Instead of that, he did like.
Okay. Maybe that's the same plan that she has. Nidhi's planning to play knight takes pawn, I guess. Let's see this one. Okay, Adra's dad versus Radhika.
Mahendra came online now.
1 second.
Jamal Zare Tufan. He's so highlighted. 2364. Okay, yeah. What's going on? So by the way, my rating went up to 1100 and it's balanced over there right now.
Okay, cool. I saw it actually. Oh, Rook G1. Oh, now. Wow. Ha, there's going to be a big attack on the king. These three pieces have not come out. White pieces are throwing
So
themselves.
that's a bad position for black. So clustered up on the queen
Yeah,
side.
but your black is up by 7 points. If black is
Oh,
defending, then he will win if he can defend properly. How does he defend is a question. What's the best way for black to stop this checkmate? That's the main thing we have to see now. Wait. There's no checkmate because bishop is pinned. So why cannot even threaten moving a bishop?
has to find a way to attack the queen, threaten the queen somehow.
Yeah.
But there's no way right now. I can't
So
see.
black just has to take out his piece. Black has to just play knight c6, bishop e6, and
Yeah, he played that. He's
yeah,
playing.
now just bishop e6, bishop f7, and get the rook in. Game over, basically. I mean, there'll still be this tactic, but
Someone's died. So white can win a pawn over there on the last game.
Sir, it's Asmi's
Sir,
dad.
with the check on q d5 plus and get a pawn on.
queen d5 check and f. No, how? f5 was defended.
Oh, yeah, bishop.
Yeah, this is Asmi's and Ammi's dad versus Thomas's dad. This is Aditya Kadage's granddad versus Dhruv's dad. What's happening here? Material is +6 for white. White's up by a rook. He played nicely and took the rook. No? Yeah, we saw this game. Let's see Grusty versus DPA 26. Grusty's rook is under attack. Will he save it? Oh wait, he had a free piece. He had a free piece to take, but he missed it. He played knight takes c2, and then he doesn't get much, just a pawn.
Oh. Hey, my father could get a free pawn over there.
The a7 pawn. That's not free.
No,
c7 pawn.
this pawn.
C7 pawn. No, rook was attacked, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now knight takes.
Now he can take it.
Yeah.
No, but then she's attacking the other pawn.
Oh yeah, a2, right?
Oh shit.
Not looking good for Grusty.
Wow.
Let's see what Jay, Bala's dad, is doing against Vaishnavi. I get confused with names. Jayant's mom. Okay, white has just played h4. White has played h4. Why?
So because you take tournaments for us, that's why you're not familiar with the parents. So you take tournaments for us, that's why you're mostly not familiar with our parents.
Yeah. Deep is doing okay against Schoolboy 5005. I guess White's king side is still weak.
If we were playing these games up till now, we would have taken 1-2 pawns.
Yeah. Keeps playing it safe. Ratika versus Ashok Shivani. Let's see what's happening.
Oh, he has a piece extra.
Yeah, White's.
She's
up by a piece, yeah? So how did she get it? Let's see. How did she get it?
Even before
It's already up a piece. How did she get a piece? Oh, in this position itself, she's up a piece. That means in the opening, somebody blundered. Oh, wait. Yeah. Knight d5 and then d6 was a blunder because it's a free piece. So Radhika just got a full piece. Now she just has
it's
to hold the
difficult to identify people if they keep random names like Radulgar.
Yeah, but yeah.
Radulgar.
The actual name would have been taken already in chess.com by other people. So that's why f4, knight takes, queen takes. She gave a pawn back for absolutely no reason. Actually, in this position now, bishop takes pawn is never a threat. You know why?
Why?
If bishop takes pawn, then b3 comes and bishop is trapped. Like for example, if you play some normal move.
That happened to me.
Yeah, if you take the pawn, then b3 traps a lot.
But I had a black bishop also, so I blocked the king from coming near and attacking the bishop and getting it.
Okay. King, yeah. Here, once it takes pawn b3, king will come. But she stopped it, b3 with b3. Now she gets a pawn back. So now she's up by full 3 points. So Adra's dad is in trouble. Let's see if he can come back.
He's totally high rated over here.
Is he? Oh, that's because he has just started with rapid chess. That's why the rating is.
Huh? When my father started, it was only 1000.
That depends on what you choose. Like, do you choose beginner? Do you choose intermediate when you join? No, looks like Viking is in
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Viking is in big trouble here, isn't it? King side is becoming not king side, queen side is becoming open, right? Oh, but bishop
Exposed.
takes. Now it's good for white, no? Isn't it white? Wait, two pieces for the rook, basically. A knight and a bishop for the rook. But black has got two pass pawns. Yeah, but black's king is in the middle of the board. Is it risky for black or white? Let's just check with the engine what the engine thinks. Let's see.
It's equal only.
But
No, black is winning.
yeah.
How?
Black is two pass
Oh,
pawns.
black is planning a check over there. Knight kills D3.
Okay, she didn't see it. Now knight takes d3 or queen takes d3, both are fine.
No, sir. No, yeah. Yes, sir.
No, it's not. Bishop takes knight. So queen takes d3 is a mistake. Oh, knight e2 is a blunder.
What? He could play. The queen is over there. I was telling that only, but then I saw the queen quickly.
Will she see queen takes knight?
Then he's completely winning now.
Oh, she didn't see it. King c2 she played.
Oh, such a big opportunity.
Now just knight takes bishop, right? Knight takes bishop and still black is better. I mean, winning.
Yeah.
Let's see. Arush has just joined us. Let's see how Arush
Yes,
is
sir.
doing. I don't see her in my.
That is Poseidon god.
But yeah, that is.
That's Arush.
Yeah, that's my Zoom name.
I'm not friends with both of them. I didn't send a request, I think, yet. I cannot see her game.
Sir,
Yeah, so you're not friends with my mom. I'll just send
which
the.
one of the Arush is
Not
he?
now.
I can't remember. Arush Anmi or Arush Shri?
This is Arush. No, not either. This is a third Arush. Arush one.
Third Arush. There's a third Arush also now.
Yeah, there is 120108. Black is castle. Now king is safe. What is the situation? Two knights for the rook and two pawns, right? No, one.
White is winning, I think so over here.
Black is one pawn and rook for white's two knights. The thing is, black has got these pass pawns. So if black can somehow take it to the endgame, it'll be good. I guess now what do you do?
He just has to trade some pieces like that, but
And then
it's
start.
risky for him. Minor pieces are there for white.
Yeah, that is true.
Can't trade it off right now.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Let's see other games. Other games also started. Ahan's that game was not started. Ahan, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Why is this game not started? His opponent is not.
Hi, Ahan.
It's over.
Over. Okay, already. Did
Hi, Ahan.
And who's that?
Arush.
Oh, you know Ahan?
Yes, sir. We play cricket, sir, together.
Oh, okay. Let's see any game that we're missing. Did we miss any particular game? Where is?
Who is Subir83?
No, that is a different guy.
Okay.
Where is Mahendra? He finished his game. Did he do scholars mate? Okay, I think these are the games that we need to focus on. So starting with, let's do a round again. This game looks very interesting. Queen b6, I'm not so sure about. I guess. Oh, I think he wants to play queen b4 check.
So what happened to my father?
Wait,
I think he got washed away.
let's look at the games one by one. So over here we had a nice game, right?
Yeah, sir.
But black played knight c6,
Tactical game.
queen d3, pawn b5, pawn takes, queen takes. Right now, what's the situation? Queen takes nine. White's winning, right? Yeah, white's winning. White's up by what?
Sir, and it delivered a.
What? No, white's not winning. Black was up by a lot of things. White got back nothing. Plus
Sir, but
Sir, but only 1 point. Only 1 point. Seven. It was plus 7.
6.
Yeah.
Plus 6.
First, black was up by 7 points. Now it's up by 6 points. White only got back 1 point.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, anyway, so situation is black has brought his knight back. So black should be winning here, right? There's a tactic of bishop somewhere and take the. Wait.
Sir, the queen f3. No.
Sir, if
Should be
the
fine.
queen and all would still be piling up on the king, now Matthew should think about it. if the queen was piling up, because now the bishop is not pinned.
Yeah. The rook is, I mean, Matthew is up by a full rook, basically.
Sir, your black can take the rook.
Black can take the rook, what? Knight e2 check. Oh, yeah. How did we miss that? Knight e2 check, right? Let's see if Matthew plays it. Knight e2 check wins the rook.
That's the simplest move.
Yeah.
You should not miss it.
But it's White's turn. It's White's turn, no? Black has just played Knight G3.
So
White-
they played something, I think so.
No, they haven't. I just
They
made.
can.
Okay, let's go to the second game that we're looking at.
White
Manoj
could
Dagre versus Vinod Katake. Who's winning? Manoj Dagre is up by a rook. He got a rook.
Most people are up by a rook.
Knight 4. Yeah, rook and a pawn. So Manoj is winning. What's the plan? Let's see.
I'm getting too excited.
Let's see what happened here.
Okay.
Let's see what's the right plan. I can just play it slow, right? What can we do? Let's just move the bishop, play f4. Looks like a good idea, right? Or is there a better move? Maybe use the c path. I don't know. Let's go to the third game that we're looking at. Grasti versus DP. I think it's Diba. What's happening? It is
Oh my god.
it's becoming equal.
Sir, I sent you the
Grasti
request
versus
through my mom's
Please.
account.
Okay.
Please open up your rooks and win the game.
So Arav's dad is playing. His name is Grasti. I mean, username is Grasti, Gaurav. And he has
Okay, let's see what he's trying to do over here.
Bala's dad has some issue.
Sir, who is like DPA 26?
Yes, Bala, what happened? I cannot see the game yet. I don't see anything. Vaishang versus Balasubramanian, right? But I don't see the game is finished yet. Are you sure the game is over? Like it showed it's lost or?
Sir, it's showing Balasubramanian won.
You logged in from two devices, right? Just log out from one device and refresh the page fast. Just do it fast. The game is still going on probably.
Some error is there.
Arish,
Sir,
why?
sir, my father is up by one whole rook.
What?
My father's up by one whole rook.
Is
No,
it?
not one whole rook.
No, it's two pieces for the rook. So black has a bishop and knight. That's what he did first, na? He played knight takes.
So, what if my father takes the bishop with this rook?
Yeah, then it will be back to like equal material, isn't it?
Oh,
Right now, white has
alright,
a
let's see what happens.
right now white has a rook for bishop and knight. If white plays rook takes bishop, pawn takes, king takes, it will be equal material. Four pawns, rook and
No,
knight.
sir. Knight cross e4.
Sir, my father has a passed pawn.
Knight cross e4.
My
rook.
father has a pawn on the other end which
No,
can...
sir. Knight F.
Oh, my father's attacking.
One second. Gaurav, one person is speaking. Please wait. Yes, Naman. I mean,
Sir,
sorry.
folk.
Ahan.
After white takes the rook, black takes with the pawn and you take the knight, then black will take with his other knight.
Pawn will go.
Pawn.
I mean, yeah, still it'll be equal only. No, I mean, just one pawn. Anyway, he played knight c6.
Oh, that's good. He has to save his rook and then he gets the bishop.
Not.
One piece for free.
Oh yeah, he'll get a piece, right? Oh yeah, that's a nice move by Deepa. Pinning the knight.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, my father just check to the king and then take the rook.
Knight e5 check. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god.
It's difficult to see. Look at the
There's
time.
so many tactics over here.
He has very less time. He has less than 5 minutes to think.
Oh.
Let's
Come on.
look at all
Shit,
the names.
that's...
Come on, my father. Come on, come on.
Let's look at Bala versus Vaishang.
ये मे-
But sir, luckily for my father, it's plus 10 seconds every move. My father.
Sir, can you check my father's game?
One second, we're doing it step by step. So we were looking at this game. Yet the video, I mean, the game is stuck. 1 second. So who's winning? Equal position. Let's look at Cool Boy versus Deep. So Deep versus Nidhi. What's happening here? There's a pawn on f2. So black is winning, right? Black is winning. Now and king is stuck in the middle.
Blunder.
Sir, blunder, yeah.
Bishop takes.
Oh, free piece, and not just a free piece, a rook also to add to it. White
Yeah.
cannot even take back.
And then he has a passed pawn also, but
Yeah, so
that's a big problem for this.
So then rook e1 check. So then rook e1 check will come.
Sir,
C2.
second.
sir, after I saw that move that my father had got the spectacular check, and after that when I saw that, something started happening in my.
Okay. Now let's look at the next game. Radhika versus. Oh, that looks like Radhika is completely winning. She's up by one piece, but king is under fire right now. I mean, second piece is gone, no? Rook g7 is a fourth, and then once king moves, rook takes bishop. So it's 2 piece up. No tactics here, so just full 2 piece up. Here, what do we have? Cool kid versus RK2201. Rook versus knight.
Rook versus knight.
And these two
I've
pass.
seen this a lot, sir.
Yeah, not just rook versus knight. It's 2 pass pawns also, right? So winning.
You see, there's so many cool boys and cool kids over here.
Yeah.
Sir, even if RK2201 loses the rook, he still has many chances of winning. The 2 pass pawns are very, very strong. And they're connected. If he doesn't lose the rook, it's impossible for Cool Kid to win mostly right now, because rook and 2 connected pass pawns.
So black should push the pawns.
Yeah. That's just to
Go. Knight cannot defend 2 pass pawns. It can defend 1, but not 2.
Yeah.
It defends 1, another is gone.
Okay. Now black is
Because they're attacking and attacking and
the
attacking.
easiest way for black to win is rook takes knight. So rook takes knight is a threat. Okay. So he moves it.
Oh shit. They're going to make a draw. Winning position will be the draw for RK.
Never. Why would RK make a draw here?
So rook c5.
Repetition.
Rook c5. c5 or rook c5. Okay. Let's look
Yeah,
at
this is also okay. Knight cannot attack anymore.
क्या हाँ वो छोले के लिए कंटेनर लेकर
Ambi's dad is down by a rook in this position. Second game we are looking white's up by a bishop. So Manoj is winning by a bishop.
First he was winning by a rook, then somehow black made a tactic and made him up by only a bishop.
Rook b6 is a nice move. And now I guess once a queen moves, queen g5 will come. Threat of queen f6. And we have a result here. Radhika wins against Ashok Shivani. Unfortunately for Ara.
So whoever that is lost like 572 rating.
That's because he just started playing, so that's where the rating is high. So bishop g5 and it's checkmate. Nice checkmate here. She found a nice checkmate.
I'm just gonna go and come back again.
It was very nice. Checkmate. Okay. So we'll look here now. This game, Drashti versus Deepa. What's happening? Too hard to say. Black is having 2 pieces for white's rook, is it? Yeah, black is 2 pieces and a pawn for white's rook. So that's like 7 points for 5. So 2 points up for 4.
Did my father get anything?
Sir, who is DPA?
Deepa.
Deepa. Deepa.
Who's Deepa?
My father could get a rook over there.
Game report में जाओ ना यार.
You made two. You made a big blunder, sir said.
Where did he make it? When did I say he made a blunder? Did I?
He didn't make a blunder. He got a tactic for. He got a
At the
tactic
beginning
for.
he gave a piece, na? Yeah, at the beginning he gave a full piece. I mean, he was not a piece in the beginning itself. And then towards the end, he got He lost a piece due to a tactic. Rook G7.
B3.
Yeah.
Sir, he should just push the pawn. He should just push the pawn.
King is cut off.
Push the pawn.
No, but
King comes closer. Push
Yeah,
the
you
pawn.
have-
King
You
comes
want to come
closer.
closer. See, simple win here. Just get the king up and win. What he is doing is perfect. Nothing wrong with it. No need to push the pawn right away. What is the pawn going to do? You have to get the king up. King up, king b5, and then start pushing. Rook is doing its job right now. King is cut off. So pawn cannot do this job alone. So you need help of the king. He plays that. King has to go to b5, no? Why didn't he do that? I don't know. King b5 would have been better, but he plays king b6. And now he goes king b5. Now the knight has to go to b2. Then pawn push. a5, a4. Okay, now a4 should be good.
He has less. Most people have less time.
If this was black's move and black did not have a rook, even then it will be winning. Because pawn a3, knight moves pawn a2. The knight cannot stop the pawn. We have a result on this board. Wait, I have to update the results. Because next round has to start at 7:45, no? Let's see. What are the games we know ended? Radhika won. Then which are the games? One second.
Sir, he won. Look. So most people finish their round.
Jaydevan won, right?
So when is the next game for the tournament? Of parents tournament? When is the next game for the parents tournament?
7:45.
7:30.
7:45.
7:45.
Why
I'll
didn't
tell my father.
The game is still going on, is it? The game between where is that game? Arush, the game is still going on. Arush is not.
I don't know. I didn't see with my father. I didn't.
Arush, why would you answer? How are you?
I didn't hear properly. I didn't have to.
RK's game is going on. Gaurav's game is going on. Jay versus Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi won. Naman versus Ayush. Who won? And your dad's game is going on.
No, sir.
It's over, right? Nahan won. I mean, Naman won. This game did not happen, I suppose. Did it happen? Let me just check. No, did not happen. I have to call them and check. Mano, which other game is over?
Sir, I'll ask my mom, sir.
What? Yeah, her game is over? No.
Yeah, her game is over, sir. I asked her right now.
Okay.
And sir, you when you searched Jaydevan, the second game was hers. Yeah.
नमन 126 થઈ ગયા ટાઇટલ
Oh,
So
yeah.
the second game.
બીજા 6 તો થયા છે
Right.
બરાબર ગણું છે
Yeah, my mom won, sir.
Okay. See that game. She gave a scholar's mate, I guess. Yeah. Scholar's
Yeah,
mate.
sir.
My
I don't
father
know
got
how-
checkmate like that. I saw him.
Let's see other games going on. We have to keep an eye here. It's over. So Vinod wins.
Cool. Buzzing.
Then we have Matthew versus Amit. Keep going on. Matthew was in time trouble. But Matthew is winning, completely winning. No problem with that. This game is still going on. RK's game is going on.
So no trouble. 10 extra seconds.
Okay, Matthew wins. Yeah, of course.
ના શીખી આનો આવે છે
Now it
બતાવ કરો ડેબિટી આઈ
left. Two results left now. Once we get these results, we'll stay for the next round.
Yes, sir.
Let's keep an eye on this. Oh wait, which is a better board? This, oh, here RK is about to give checkmate. No, this is checkmate. Why is he not doing it? One more checkmate.
So even this, sir, even sir, he could even put.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's checkmate anyway, no? So RK wins. Now only this game result. RO Oh, it's an equal position almost. Exciting. Gaurav versus Deepa. Two pieces against a rook. Pawns are equal. So black is supposed to be better here because black has two pieces. But black king is under a little bit of trouble. Rook and knight are there, na? See what is happening there.
So knight c7, check.
So when is the third round?
Second round is 7:45, third round 8:30, last round 9:50.
Okay, this will end faster.
Probably my father should start pushing his pawns now. Pushing the pawn.
Yeah, so black has two pass pawns, white is pushing his own pawn, but bishop is keeping an eye on that pawn. Left for Gresty. Wow, big time trouble, no?
Oh shit, only 5 minutes for 7:45 and the game's still going on.
That is okay, that doesn't matter. Even if the game doesn't end, we'll prolong the round.
10 minutes actually, but yeah, even if the game doesn't end, we'll have to wait.
Sir, white should try to take up the bishop and push the pawns.
Knight takes bishop, pawn takes back, and then push. Yeah, that is, I guess, white's.
Yes, sir. Knight takes bishop, pawn, and pawn
Knight
push.
is still far away, no? So white should be winning this.
Oh, please, please, please.
Let's just check the engine evaluation. Engine says it's equal. Okay, perfectly equal. Okay.
Please, 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 please.
Practically, these two knights are so far away that if white plays knight takes bishop, pawn takes back, and then pushes a pawn, that pawn should win. Wait. King will. The pawns are not that fast. Pawn push.
Oh, wait, my father's black, right?
No, your pawn is white.
No, why is it showing that he's black?
Pawn push.
Oh, so bishop moved away. Now pawn push, I guess.
Pawn
Yeah.
push, pawn push, pawn. Yes.
Now
Yes.
king cannot move. King cannot move here. So
Oh, yeah. My father's winning.
white winning.
Oh, my God. Push.
After bishop a1, white is winning because of b6.
Oh, yes. Yes.
It was equal. But now Gresty seems to be winning.
Yes.
Not fast
My
enough.
father's winning.
Oh, it's over. It's over.
Checkmate. It's going to checkmate. My father's winning. My father's going to win. Yeah. I'm very happy.
Sir,
Sir, he has a free rook.
bishop e5.
Yeah, but queens,
Yes,
no.
sir.
Bishop G.
But queens, pawn queens with check.
Sir,
It
but
was
he-
it.
Yes,
Oh,
that's
knight takes bishop and
Queens.
queens and knight takes bishop.
Queen. My father, queen. Yes.
King f7, and then it should be winning, right? Yeah. Now queen f4. Wait, knight takes bishop, king takes back, and then what to do? Then
So
what?
keep giving checks so that he can't pawn promote. And then
So
checkmate
queen
come
e5
up.
check.
How are you going to
Queen
win
e5
by
check.
checks? Very
Queen
good.
e5 check.
Yeah,
Oh,
knight
yeah.
takes
My
bishop.
father's winning. Yeah, knight takes bishop is going to
Yeah. He
Get-
played it nicely. He didn't
check.
take taking the bishop would have been a slight
No
mistake.
problem.
Yeah, defending each
Now,
other.
anyway, he's winning.
Yeah, you will be calm. If it's your game, will you be acting like this? No, right? You'll be calm now. It's not
Yes, sir.
like engine says it's winning for white. Black can also push.
Sir, no, sir. Now, my father should play QD6 plus. Get one pawn.
King goes back. Oh, you want to take which pawn? This pawn, okay. Then pawn push.
No, sir. The knight is attacked. Oh, yeah. Those two knights are protecting each other.
Yeah. Not
Father
that.
did exactly that.
Going on. Is
Pawn push.
Sir, oh, yeah. Okay.
So how can black stop it? White stop it.
White can stop it by putting the queen to. Okay. While there's one square that the knights do not control. The E2 square.
Oh,
That's
I mean, if you just control, like play queen e6, it's fine, no? The pawn cannot move.
Yes, sir. Pawn cannot push, and
Which
Deepa
limit?
has a black bishop.
But king
So
is,
time trouble, kind of.
yeah, and king
Oh.
is King is coming in, so queen e6 is correct. Queen e5. But how does white win this?
So knight f7.
Knight f7 and then what? Knight h6.
Pawn push. No. That is gone combo.
That's why knight h6, queen takes bishop. But who's white going to win? Okay, that looks like a plan.
Yeah, the queen is already behind the pawn.
So free pawn.
No, now threat is not free pawn. Queen f5 is a threat. Queen f5, king moves, knight e6. Okay, now queen f5 wins. Queen f5 check, king g7, knight e6 check, and then you take the bishop.
Oh,
Push.
I hope my father gets that, but he has time trouble.
I guess that's why he played g4, but just 43 seconds left.
Shit.
Winning
So
for
he
my
might
father.
lose.
Please,
He's winning.
please.
But he might lose because of the time. So he's thinking too much.
10 seconds is there. So if you play fast enough, it's winnable.
So he's not playing fast.
No, next
Okay.
move after that. Queen f5 played. King e7 will be played, and then knight e6 wins the piece. Wins the bishop. Of course, knight e6 played because it's the only move. No, knight e6 wins the bishop. It's a full piece. Let's see.
So time.
He finds it.
Come on.
Knight e6 check, and now he's winning the bishop. Oh wait, he's not winning yet. Sorry, my bad. I thought he was getting the bishop after king moves, but it's not yet that easy. I guess now just bring the knight back. Knight d4. And then put the knight on e2. Yeah, that makes sense. Lock the pawn with
Sir,
the...
actually, no.
Why not?
So why don't you just take the
So why
use your queen?
my
So bring your
father's time
queen
is
to
too
f3.
less.
Bring your queen to f3. That gives.
Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, queen f3, knight comes back to f2. 7 seconds, 18 seconds. Oh yeah, oh, it's just an exchange. I thought it wins, but it's an exchange. Queen h5, king takes, queen takes knight. Just an exchange.
Play fast. What
So,
are
but-
you thinking? Play fast, play fast.
Takes it. It's 23 seconds. Now pawn push. Is it fine? What is
No.
Yes, sir. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
queen h1 now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh shit, he's not playing. Okay, he's playing.
He finds it.
But wait,
So
now
bishop c3.
bishop c3, king takes. No, king cannot take. No, but yeah, bishop c3. What do you do after bishop c3? Is knight.
Oh.
Now,
Sir, queen. Sir,
e4.
queen to
oh yeah, queen.
Come on.
queen to e.
E1. Shit, that was
E4.
Yeah, queen e4 wins.
Oh shit! Time trouble, please.
10
Fast,
seconds.
fast.
That was bad. Oh, he plays.
Oh,
Queen e1 is still good. The pawn is gone. Pawn is gone. That means white is winning.
he has 20
Sir,
seconds.
and you pinned the knight, sir. And you pinned the knight.
Yeah.
Sir,
But
he doesn't have enough time to find checkmate in that.
he's a queen now. He'll just pick up everything, get a new queen, and win the game. But wait, black will play knight takes pawn, queen takes, knight back. Yeah, he'll have to work something out. Yeah, he does that. So now white has to win. Queen against bishop, knight.
Shit.
Queen takes pawn is not
Play
a.
fast, play fast, play fast, play fast, play fast, play fast.
What is he thinking?
He's thinking of what's the best move, right? It's 22
So
seconds.
now it's a check. It's a knight.
Knight
Sir, he
from-
gets a knight. Okay,
He
now.
doesn't get a knight. Knight goes back. Now, queen versus knight, bishop, and pawn.
Oh, this is going to be very, very interesting.
Difficult. Now I guess bishop g5. This is not going to be easy. Nobody's offering a draw yet. That's surprising.
My father can play fast enough and then get some.
Sir,
Oh, he
3
can
more
pick up the
minutes.
pawn. pick up
1
the
more
pawn.
minute, sir.
Now the only way white can lose this is by a fork. But then even if black takes the queen, he'll have only a bishop and knight. That's not easy to win. Very difficult. That'll be a draw only. But white took the pawn. Why did black give up the pawn? Why did black not play bishop g5? Now it's easy for white, na? Kind of. Just get the king over.
Yeah, because the knight now no hope of promoting.
Now there's not much worry. Now you can.
Oh, blunder.
Blunder. My
Blunder.
father can just pick up the knight like that.
Oh yeah, free piece, no? She offers a draw.
Don't.
Oh my god, he didn't take it. He played queen for check.
Sir, but still.
Oh, knight comes back.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
So to win this, you have to give a fork and pick up the two pieces somehow. One by one. That's the only way you can win this.
Amma game.
Hey, but see how much time pressure he has. Then
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what is the match? Shit, 20 seconds. He should have accepted the draw by now.
There's no point in accepting it. He's winning, right? So he has to try and win it. Why not?
Nobody's losing.
How is he losing?
No, by time limit of 20.
You have to manage, right? You have to tell yourself that 20 seconds is enough to win. It's an increment, right? And what is the problem in trying to win? What he's doing is perfectly right.
So threat is knight c5.
Now just get the king over.
no, nothing now. My father moved his king.
Yeah, that's correct. No, you have to do this with the king only. What can the queen do alone? The king has to come closer and closer. That's
King
why.
c4. King c4. Yeah.
So, only thing is you have to watch out for a fork. That's all. Now he wants to play queen c6, right? Queen c6 check. If not, king moves, knight. Queen c6. Okay, now yeah, queen c6. King c6.
Sir, and oh shit, that's sad.
The good thing for Arav's dad is he has a draw anytime. He can make a draw anytime. Just play queen takes knight.
Oh yeah, the knight is gone.
Why not? I can move.
It's not.
So he can draw the game anytime he wants. So he doesn't have to do without trying. He can try, and just when time is about to end, he can play queen takes knight or queen takes bishop. Black will not have any piece left to checkmate white with. So all the results are done.
Oh shit, why are you taking so much time, man?
Just this game left. Why do we not see such games in
Over.
kids tournament? In kids tournament,
What
we have,
the?
oh my god, he lost on time. Shit. Oh my god, he should have accepted the draw or just played queen takes knight and made a draw. So I guess Arya was going to give a nice scolding to his dad for not accepting the draw. Let's see. Now the pairing for next round.
Yeah.
I have to do it fast. So let me post in the group.
So where's my mom? Okay, I'm playing with Deep Sahu. Amma? Sir, can you start the match?
Wait, I haven't even posted in the group. Wait, no.
हाँ आकर बोल रहा था वो बोल रहा था कि उधर एक
Yo, what did I type?
Sir?
Yeah, please start. Please start.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Wait a second.
I've come again to lose.
No, you won the first game dramatically, na? With checkmate. Queen f2 checkmate.
That was very silly game.
But it was still against a high opponent. That's a good win.
Huh?
done.
Can't-
I
can't
told him
hear
all
you,
the
sir.
moves actually, and I shouted.
I
at
guess
him.
you should help me actually.
Let's see.
Winning
Wait a
game.
second, I'm just doing-
I'm very angry.
Yeah, Mama, black. Black. Select black and play.
So this is the fixture right now. So on top we have a lot of people on 1 point.
So we have challenged.
So games will just be starting right
Let's play.
No.
Who is my
I
father's
just wait.
opponent?
We need to
Your father's opponent is where is Vesti here? Samartha. But Samartha did not play last round. So I just check 1 second.
I tell Nidhi to send a friend request.
Yeah. 1 second. Where is Kritik Ishan?
I'll just go and tell my father.
Yeah, would be right. I'll tell them to send a friend request. Hi, Nidhi. Could you send a friend request to Kritik Rishan? They are not able to do it from their end. Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Sir, can they start the game?
Yeah, please. It's already 7:50. Why not start? I've already posted in the group.
Sir, it
Sir,
says
she's not accepting.
Hello?
एक second. हाँ बोल.
Hello? Hi. First round, Sanjay did not play, so I just wanted to check if he's playing second round. Okay, alright. So this is a walkover for Drashti. Let's see if
Sir?
it started. Anuj Dhaka's game has started. Wait, he's playing somebody else. What?
Tell to send a friend request. It's not still coming. It's still coming.
Okay, Ayush versus Amvi. Okay. Ayush versus Amvi is going on. You can see Queen F3. I guess he wants to play Bishop C4 and
Scholars mate.
yeah, but
Yeah,
Ah.
sir.
Deflected as a first shot.
yeah.
Sir, start screen sharing.
What? And Aro, your dad gets a
Sir,
walkover.
there's already started screen share. I
Aro, your dad gets a walkover.
see his
Other games haven't started.
screen or my dad.
Yeah,
Or
your dad gets a walkover. His opponent is not just tell him, okay?
oh, my dad only.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go tell him right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Ara's dad's game has started.
My mom's game started, sir.
Yes, it has. Many other games also started. So let's
Didn't see the friend.
lot of games have started. 1 second. Oh, it's Nidhi, right? She said she'll send a request to Kritik's dad. Please wait. Okay. This is Aparna versus
Just to reassure my father.